Saint Ann man plead guilty to murder of 9-year-old Talia Thompson. 35-year-old cop dies at home after not feeling well. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Troy Ellis, the man charged with the murder of 9-year-old Talia Thompson in Discovery Bay, St. Ann, last year, pleaded guilty in the St. Ann Circuit Court on Thursday. Mr. Ellis, 27, is also charged with escaping custody. He is to be sentenced on February 12. Talia was found dead inside Mr. Ellis' house at Fortland Road on September 23. He escaped custody from the Senans Bay Hospital on September 30th and was handed over to the Discovery Bay Police on October 1st by a citizen. A detective constable who was assigned to the Elliston Road police station reportedly died at home after complaining of not feeling well on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Ramesh Williams, aged 35. The policeman was residing in the Kingston 8 area. Reports are that the policeman was living with his 51-year-old common-law wife, who reported that the cop was suffering from flu-like symptoms. She reported that the policeman was complaining of headache, joint pains, fever, and feeling weak. Arrangements were reportedly being made to take Williams to the hospital when he fell unconscious. The policeman was transported to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was formally pronounced dead. The scene, which is the home of the policeman, was processed. Swabs were taken from a pot with chicken soup that the now deceased ate. One swab was taken from a cup from which he drank tea, as well as a bottle of water that he had earlier drank. The case is still under investigation.